We are team number 29 from Army Institute of Technology. Our project is wireless multi-parameter patient health monitoring and database management for rural areas. This is our project for Texas Instruments Innovation Challenge India Design Contest 2015. The main problem that our device is solving is that there is a huge shortage of doctors in the rural areas, and this situation has been further worsened by unwillingness of doctors to work in these areas. So what our device is basically doing is it is providing the link between the people in those areas and the doctors who are present in other parts of the world or maybe in the cities. Our device is basically what it is doing. It is taking various parameters related to a patient's health like temperature, ECG and other things, and it is then providing this data to the doctor on his website where he can log in and see all this data. Now our device has a number of features, like it is highly mobile, it has a very low cost, and it is implemented on a trending technology called Internet of Things. So we are basically creating a database of the patients who are there in the rural areas. The doctor can easily access that data and analyze that data and provide prescription based on the data that has been received from the patients who are there in the rural areas.
We have the Internet of Things is established using MQTT protocol. We could have done this project using TCP protocol also, but in comparison to that, TCP protocol, MQTT protocol is lightweight and it is a publish subscribe protocol. This is the block diagram of this is the basic block diagram of how we are implementing our project. This is the block diagram of how we have implemented our project. On this side, we have patients which are acting as clients now. Each patient has a device. So we have shown 3 patients here. Each device is comprised of a heart rate monitoring module, an ECG module which will give the graphs of ECG, the temperature sensor and the camera which will take photos of the patients. All these modules are giving readings to the BeagleBone Black. BeagleBone will publish the readings to the broker, and the server will subscribe to the readings which are being published by the BeagleBone. As soon as the readings are subscribed by the server, these are being updated in the database, and the doctor has the option to log in into the website and then check the vitals of the patient, and then again send the feedback through the same MQTT method.
We have used 3 modules. One is the pulse meter, then there is the ECG meter, and then there is a temperature sensor. The temperature sensor that we have used is LM35, Texas Instruments LM35. In the pulse meter we have used LM358, and in this we are using transmitter and receiver using an IR LEDs. The patient has to put his finger on these LEDs, and the data will be sent to the comparator LM358, and then it will be given to the Texas Instruments BeagleBone Black. Now I'll describe you the functioning of the ECG. For the ECG, we have used instrumentation amplifier INA128, which is also manufactured by the Texas Instruments, and then we have used LM358 as the bandpass filter. Instrumentation amplifier takes the signal from 3 leads. These are 3 leads: left arm, right arm, and the right leg. We have created the bandpass filter so that the minimum frequency that can be shown is 0.3 Hz and the maximum frequency is 30 Hz. This is to reduce the noise which is there in the circuit or in the surrounding, and the data is sent to the BeagleBone Black again, which is considered as a publisher. It publishes the data to the broker. From there, the website subscribes it, and the data is then transferred to the website. And this is the temperature sensor LM35 that we have used. Again, it sends the data directly sends the data to the BeagleBone Black, which again transfer the data to the publisher. Feature of the project is that we have introduced a camera which takes the picture of the patient and sends it to the doctor, so that doctor can see what is wrong with the patient or whether something is wrong or not. Now this is a simple demonstration of the project. The temperature is being sensed by this sensor. The patient has put his finger on the transmitter and receiver, and the ECG is being taken by the electrodes. Now user has to press this button for enabling the system. Once the system has been enabled, what exactly has happened, the process will be shown by the screen. The patient is given the ID, that is 1002. Now all the sensors become active and the diagnosis starts. The pulse rate is being shown, pulse 1, pulse 2, pulse 3. Later on, the time or the duration between the pulses will be notified. Here it is, pulse rate 74.633, and then this is the ECG data.
Now that the data of the patient has been published by the Beagle Wall, has been subscribed by the server. The web browser in this client, in this laptop, is acting as a client to the web server. Is logging in with his username and password. This is the doctor's homepage. As you can see, the name of the patients are being listed here. He can click on any of the patient's name to view his information. This is the patient's information page. Here, the region of the patient is being shown. The patient's ID is being shown. This is the patient's name. This is the graph of the ECG of patient. This is patient's current temperature and patient's heart rate. The doctor can send prescription to the patient by writing here. The prescription which the doctor has written is being shown here at the terminal at the patient side.